Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. As every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. And today we're going to make for you the option analysis for all the week till next Friday. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline. It will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all so like that when we put in a new video, going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord. The link of them is down in the description of that video, because in Telegram and Discord you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see today, the market is staying here flat as the next day, and also we enter a short, a scalping and day trading in 30 minutes. We gave a signal in our Telegram channel and in our Discord channel, but till now the market is still flat there from yesterday, and also still holding that short position. Until now the market hasn't moved, it's staying in his place. And here in the daily we haven't got nothing new. I told you yesterday that level here and that one here down, it's need either the market to break above here for us to know the market is going to go more higher, or it's need to break down here for us to know the market is going to fall down. But nothing was happening. The market is stay another day flat here, so there is nothing new here. I'll show you here. We got that triangle here or that wedge here. Name it whatever you want. The names doesn't matter. The most important to know how to trade them. I show you yesterday the market, it might give us here a cup and handle, but it's need at least to break here. If it's breaking here, also we are going to enter. So nothing was changed. And here I'll show you even that too. Those ones, that 50 moving average, he couldn't break the 100 here. So the market, it's staying here flat, and there is no clear picture till now. We couldn't break that level again here. So till now everything still looking the same, nothing was changed. And that level here, that one here, is the 100 moving average in the weekly. So we need to be focused about it, and after tomorrow we're going to make for you when the weekly candle finishes what the market is going to tell us. And all the investors now, they waiting, the interest rate decision will come in that week. So make a close eye at those things what I'm telling you. So also we make everything. We said if the market fall down here to the 200 moving average, we're going to buy 50%. If the market break here, the trend line also we have here, also we are going to buy that 50%, because also already we buy from here 20%. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here don't need to make the video too long. And here last week, if you remember what else we do it together. People, they been with us. If you are just came now, we're making that two levels here. We set the top level here is it at 29k, and the down level here at 25k. That where is the Bitcoin is going to stay, and that exactly me. I'm talking here about the option, over here the calls, and over here the pots. And as you see, the Bitcoin, he couldn't break the 29k here, and couldn't break down here the 25k. So for that week, let's go in to see where is the Bitcoin is going to go all that week. So let's go in there to see where is the Bitcoin is going. Here it is, that the page web also using to analyze that option, where is the Bitcoin is going to go. So that as you see it here, is it in the money, that one here. Where is the Bitcoin exactly now? 26,500. Now let's search in here, where is a lot of pots without calls. As you see here at 25,500, there is a lot of pots here. By the way, that one is only for one exchange, his name Deribit. But me, I prefer to leave it here. As you see it, that one here at 25k. As you see it, the pots here is 267 Bitcoin. The calls here is 0. So that's what it's telling us here. So the first level is going to be 25k. Now let's search in for the calls. Where is the level? as you see here, there is puts and calls here, here the same, here, as you see it here. So we're going to leave it where it used to be the next week, 29k, as you see it here. The calls here is 109. The pots is 0 here. So the levels, they haven't changed. And we got another exchange. Let's make it like that. You can come like that. You change it to Binance to see in Binance where they are. But Binance, the pots of them or the option of them is different as you see it, because those was the expire every 2 days as you see it where they are. But also we focused only about Deribit, because Deribit is a professional option exchange. That's why me I use it a lot. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here we don't need to make the video too long. Let's going back now to the chart to see what the Bitcoin doing today. So here that two levels, they are going to stay in the places of them, 25k and 29k. We don't need to exchange in, so they are going to stay here till next week. What that meant, the Bitcoin is going to stay sideways here another week here. So there is nothing new here. We're going to stay sideways here another week. So that good here. Maybe when the interest rate decision came, we're going to see a little bit move, but that's how it's telling us the option. The Bitcoin is going to stay sideways here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, the last video I told you, here you can make something like that, like a mega fall like that. And down here, you can make it like that. I told you that one, and I show you even that one. I told you we got here. We are very close the market to give us here a head and shoulder here. The neckline is it here, the 200 moving average. I show you even that one in the last video. But till now we haven't broken the top here for us to enter long. And for the short, I told you look at it here. The market he tried to give us here a double top here. The neckline is it down here. So till now it hasn't broken down and it hasn't broken up. The market showing to us. Also we are here in a flat market here. The market it's not moving to nowhere. That make it good news or bad news. Let's make it anyway. And here down we got now like a smaller flag here. It's not yet. It hasn't touched the lower of it here. So also we still waiting where is the market is going to go. Till now there is nothing new here. Also we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. I showed it to you before and I told you also we are even in a weekly pivot here in that level here. So till now we haven't break it down. So there is nothing new here. And people, they've been in the market for some time. They know the Bitcoin when it's falling down, it falls very slowly. When the Bitcoin is jumping up, it's going very fast. That's why also we still waiting here. So there is nothing new here in the 4 hours. It's our indicator what it's saying here in the 4 hours. Our indicator, as you see it, it came from down here from oversold area. Now it will go to the overbought area. I told you that. But till now the market is showing here. There is no power to break here. That means there is no investors to push it up to go to the overbought area or to fall down. The market is flat and is it sideways here. So also here we are in the middle. At this time, I don't advise no one to enter when we are here exactly. It's need the market to give us here a clear picture, either to break here or to break down here. If it doesn't, there is no entry, so we need to wait more. And here I'll show you we got down here a trend line here, from here and from here. Even that one you need to be focused about it. It needs to be broken here for us to know the market is going to move. If it doesn't, there is no entry long, no entry short, so you need to wait in more, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, I told you for the long also we got here the top here, because also we been here from the oversold area. Also we enter from here till here. People, they are in my Telegram channel, they remember that signal. Yes, also we enter a short. We give you a signal of enter a short yesterday and today, but the market hasn't moved, so we still waiting where is the market is going to go exactly. And now here I show you even that one, we got that down channel here, that one here, but the volatility or the volume is very low. The market doesn't want to push up and it doesn't want to push down. That's how it look. It look like the market is going to stay another week sideways here. So that's why me I told you for swing trading there is nothing yet. You need to wait more till the right time, guys. So everything is too clear here. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, you Yes, you. I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up. So please go ahead and do it. You done it. Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, also we used to have here a triangle like that exactly. It getting broke here in that place here, that the lower of it. Also we enter a short, we set the stop loss, we put it here exactly in the top of that level here. Yesterday we enter a short from here, so us now people they enter yesterday from that level here, exactly from here. They still holding the short position. The market went up, then it fell down till down here. Some people they said they close it here. I don't advise you to close. Always when you put in stop loss and take profit, you forget about it till the right time. Now here, look what the market he tried to give you here. Look at it. The market he tried to give you here, a head and shoulder here, that the neckline here, down here. Till now the market it hasn't breaking down for the market to move down more, so we need to wait and more where is the market is going to go. And here look at it here and here. You got a very clear double top here, the neckline which is down here. It's need the market to break down here for us to enter more short. That for the people they haven't entered. People they enter either from that one or from that one here. Now you put in take profit, stop lose, and you waiting where is the market is going to go, because also we are in a sideways market. We need to wait until the right time. So we need to wait until the right time and the right moment. Yeah, now there is nothing new here. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying here, guys. Our indicator, as you see it, is it very close to the oversold area. So technically you need to start thinking of to enter or to take profit, but also we are not going to do that. To enter long, we don't need to enter long now because we don't got any price action here telling us also we need to enter long at this time. Also we got the only price action we got here is the double top here, that one here. It need the market to break down for us to enter short. If it doesn't, and if the market give us here another price action here in that level here, exactly here, we're going to give you a signal. That way also we're telling you every time join us in Telegram channel, because in Telegram channel we give you more in-depth signals there. So till now there is nothing here, and that the triangle may have been following all the whole day here is that one here. Look at it. You came to the peak of that one and you do it like that, and down here you came like that as you see it. Over here it gave me here, it's getting broke here, but it was just a fake breakout. So that's a part of the game. Also we put in stop loss, we put in take profit. That's how we trade, guys. It's not every time is green, and if you want always to win, trading is not made for you. Also we got here a very clear symmetric triangle. Now we need to wait in the break here. We got a very clear double top here. I'll show it to you. It need to break for us the neckline for us to know the market is going to fall down, or it need to go back up and to break here. That time me, I'm going to tell you close everything and open a long position. Till now there is nothing yet, so we need to wait until the right time, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please guys don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.